This is not a video that I like to make, and I've just got to get this out there. So this is the story of my client who they got banned on eBay, okay? So this is the story of what happened here. So I had this client, they were selling online on a couple different channels, and basically what happened was they were selling on their website and a couple other channels, and I told them, because I love eBay, and depending on the product, I think eBay can be a great sales channel. What happened was, I said, look, we should start selling on eBay because you're selling on these other websites, and we can use the product data feed and easily pull in all your products and list them on eBay. Well, they hemmed and hawed and said, look, I don't think it's going to do anything and all this. And I said, look, just let me try it. Just let me try it. And if we get no sales, then I'll shut it down. Because they were worried, look, you know, you've got to respond to people's messages. There's this whole beast of PayPal that's involved with eBay, and we just don't want to deal with it. And I said, look, just let me try it. And they finally said, okay, you can try it, but you're going to have to do all the work, and we don't really want to do anything. And I said, that's fine. So I got them listed on eBay. And, you know, if you're selling on eBay, the way it works is it's just like any other online platform. You get priority if you have seniority. Let me say that again. You get priority in the algorithm if you have seniority. Now, what does that mean? That means if you have thousands and thousands of transaction history on eBay, you are definitely going to outrank or outperform in some degree the newbie on the platform. So, starting from scratch, my client, it was a tough battle. It was extremely fascinating because there was actually other sellers selling the client's products on eBay. So my thinking was, depending on our partner relationship in this niche, it wasn't really a defined partner relationship where a certain distributor had exclusive rights to sell on eBay. So I said, look, let's just sell direct on eBay. So I listed all the products on eBay, and then people started to realize, wait, we don't know who these other people are. We want to buy directly from the manufacturer, which was my client. So in a short matter of time, they went from 0 transactions and sales to hundreds and hundreds of transactions on eBay. And it even got to a point where, this is hilarious, they were making tons and tons of money. I can't say the exact figures, but they were making tons and tons of money, and it turned into a really viable sales channel that was profitable, that was executed properly, thanks to me, and it was very fascinating to see from my point of view how everything started to snowball, and they started getting hundreds of transactions and feedbacks, and their profile built from this new nothing, starting from scratch, all the way up to this, like, getting into that, like, wow, they've got, you know, hundreds and hundreds of transactions. They're looking really good. But then, you know, they started looking at this and going, well, this is great. I think we got this. And I was no longer needed, turned it over, and a short time after that, the account wasn't doing so well. I think what happened is they got banned on eBay. Now, why did they get banned on eBay? Well, eBay, just like any other platform, you have to do a couple things. You need customer support. Now, what does this mean? This means you actually have to respond to people. You have to refund people if they're not happy with your product. And depending on your product's price, this can be more complicated. If you've got a higher ticketed price item, you have to take returns no matter what. Returns are just a part of e-commerce. So if somebody wants a refund, in my experience, and if you can refund them, there are ways to automate the actual return process, where it'll send them a prepaid label, they send it back to you, and as soon as they actually send the item back to you, as soon as it's turned into the post office or UPS or FedEx, whoever you're using, you just go ahead and issue the refund to them. just for customer support, and that way you can avoid those negative feedbacks that will kill your business on these different marketplaces. So you've got to respond to customers. You got to refund them if they're angry, and there is some what I would call like maintenance. I don't know if that's spelled correctly, but maintenance on it, just like any other platform. You've got to get in there. You've got to clean things up occasionally. You've got to watch stock levels. You got to make sure that you have new products listed in the platform. So my client who got banned on eBay thought that what I was doing was simple. It was easy, that, they did not need to do any customer support here. And once they stopped doing this, shortly thereafter, I saw that their listings went from a multitude of listings to 0 active listings. Nada. So this sales channel here that was comprised of, lots and lots of good revenue, I can't say the exact amount, went from, up here down to here. And it's really a sad story of what can happen if you don't, dot your I's, cross your T's, and make sure that you understand the different platforms, and have somebody who will actually, go in and respond and do what needs to be done on these channels to make sure that you're staying compliant. Because any marketplace that you sell on today with your products is going to ask certain things of you. So you've got to stay on top of that. And that's my story for today. I'll talk to everybody soon. But hey, let me know what you thought of this story down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.